Every weekend, I crave to eat something special, and recipes like stuffed peppers always make me wonder why anyone would want to waste money on expensive takeouts when you can make such a great recipe right at your home. So, in this video, I am going to share a vegetarian recipe for stuffed pepper in a very few simple steps. Start with half an onion, 3 cloves of garlic, a small piece of jalapeno, and 1 green chili, which is totally optional and mainly for spiciness. You will also need paneer for the protein, and I was having some leftover spinach leaves which I am going to include in this recipe. Since we are making the vegetarian version of stuffed peppers, you can include any other vegetable of your choice. Firstly, chop everything, and for the paneer, we are going to mash it using a masher, or you can just do it using your hand. You can also replace this paneer with the protein of your liking. We will also use 3 boiled potatoes, which will be the base of our stuffing, along with some black olives. Make sure to mash your potatoes just like the paneer. Next, take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add your garlic, green chilies, and onions and saute everything for about a minute. After a minute or two, your garlic will start giving a nice fragrance. Then add the rest of your vegetables and saute them for a minute more. Now add your mashed paneer, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of chili flakes which are optional, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 2 tablespoons of any tangy spicy sauce of your choice, and a tablespoon of tomato ketchup. I realized I have used a lot of chilies in this recipe, but you can definitely skip some. Since boiled potatoes give a very bland taste, I would actually suggest you to add tangy chili sauce for a really great taste in the final filling. Mix all of this really well, and it's time to add your mashed boiled potatoes. Mix your potatoes with other ingredients and leave it on the heat for around 3 to 4 minutes. This will ensure that your potatoes are well mixed with all the spices you have added, and it will also decrease the raw flavor of these boiled potatoes. In the end, add black olives and some fresh cilantro. Mix everything once again and check the taste. You can adjust the salt or other spices at this stage. Now keep it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that your stuffing gets a bit cold. In about 15 minutes, your stuffing will be a bit cold, and it's the great time to add the shredded cheese. Avoid adding cheese to the hot stuffing, otherwise your cheese will melt in the pan and stick to it. Adding the cheese to the cold stuffing will ensure that your cheese is melted inside the peppers. Once everything is mixed, keep it aside, and now let's prepare our peppers. Make sure not to use the green peppers because they don't taste really good in this recipe. Only colored peppers are the best option for this recipe. Wash and clean your peppers and then cut them into half. Make sure to rub oil on the back of your peppers. This will ensure that your peppers will not burn inside the oven. Now it's time to fill your peppers. At the same time, preheat your oven at 425 degree Fahrenheit so that your oven is hot when you are done with the peppers. Nicely fill all your peppers and add some extra cheese on the top. You can actually skip this cheese since we have already added inside, but who doesn't like that extra cheese? Place your peppers in the oven which you have already preheated and keep them inside for around 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure your cheese is melted and a bit brown. After 12 to 15 minutes, my stuffed peppers are ready. Garnish them with some fresh cilantro and enjoy your weekend. Check out other amazing recipes on my channel and don't forget to leave a like. I will see you in the next video.